Welcome to the NCICU Ethics Bowl training video. In this tutorial, we'll first walk through the scoring instructions for the judges so you know where everything is before using the QR scanner or the home icon. Your tablet should be turned on and ready to use. It should already be open to this instruction webpage. If your tablet is off or you do not see this instruction page, please alert the tech companion in the room for assistance. Here is the instruction page you'll use. The first table explains how to use the QR code scanner. The second table explains how to navigate back to this instruction page using the home icon. Next, we'll go through each step so that you can see exactly how to scan a QR code and navigate back using the home icon. You should have a sheet of paper next to your tablet with the round, match, team names, and a QR code to scan. Please write your name on the paper. If you don't see the sheet of paper, please alert the tech companion in the room. After the coin toss, mark the teams on this sheet as Team 1 and Team 2 to reference later. To activate the scanner, tap the QR code icon on the top right toolbar. After clicking the QR code icon, the camera on the tablet will open. Center the QR code on the sheet in the camera frame. The scanner will read it automatically. Wait for the yellow docs.google.com banner to pop up. Tap the banner to launch your Google form. After scanning, the tablet automatically closes the scanner and opens the Google form for judging. Once the form opens, you'll see the first page is pre-populated with the round, match number, match ID, and team names. Team names are automatically populated from the QR code. However, depending on the coin toss, you may need to swap the team numbers. Use the drop-down boxes to ensure that the team names for team number 1 and 2 match the coin toss results. Please compare this information to the physical sheet with the QR code to ensure that they match. If you see a mismatch, please alert the tech companion in the room. It is imperative that you do not change the round, match, or match ID fields. Altering these fields will cause errors in the automated scoring system. If you see a mismatch, please alert the tech companion. Once verified, click Next. On the second page, please type in your name. Your name will not be shared with the teams. It is collected strictly for internal use and in case the organizers have a follow-up question regarding the scores. Below, you'll find two scoring tables. The first one for Team 1 and the second one for Team 2. As the match progresses, you can begin recording scores for the various categories. Each table contains 9 categories. All fields are required. You must select a score from 1 to 10 for every category on both tables. It's important to note that you'll need to scroll to the right on your tablet to see scores 9 and 10. As the competition progresses, feel free to record your scores in the categories for both Team 1 and Team 2. You can move back and forth between the two tables as needed to update your evaluations in real time. After the concluding statements have finished, please take a moment to finish filling out any of the remaining entries in the tables. Once both tables are complete, select the overall winner of the match and click Submit. If you click Submit and see a red error message, it means a required field is missing. The error message will appear directly below the specific field that's missing data. Since every category in the table is required, please check both Team 1 and Team 2 tables to ensure you've selected a score of 1 to 10 for every single category. Once you click Submit, you should see a verification message. Your response has been submitted. If you have any issues submitting the form, please alert the tech companion for assistance. After submitting the digital form, you must also circle the winning team on your physical QR code sheet. Please pass the physical sheet back to the moderator. The moderator will then review the physical forms to determine the winner based on which team was circled by the majority of the judges. Don't forget to add your name to the sheet of paper before turning it in to the moderator. Thank you for your time and for ensuring an accurate scoring process.